Imagine living near a tennis court and a pickleball court and a park for your kids. Welcome to 90 Aldersgate Belleville. The neighborhood, not only that we have a tennis court and a pickleball court and a kids park, they have a community library. Look at this. Isn't that fantastic? I want to live here. What I really love about this neighborhood is it's close to walking trails, close to Loyalist College, proximity to the 401, and proximity to everything. I love this place. Well, I usually love all my listings, but I love this one a little bit more. Welcome to 90 Aldersgate. This beautiful bungalow has 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, fenced yard, and an open concept kitchen with quartz countertop. We have digitally staged the entire house for you to imagine your lifestyle. Come in for a tour.